I'm Heidi Skiba, and I'm a naturalist at the Lookout Mountain Nature Center with Jefferson County Open Space. We offer a lot of different programs for the public, everything from wildflower hikes to astronomy programs, children's programs, things for toddlers. And today we are out here doing a sketchbook nature journaling class. I really do like to mix it all together. All right, so again, just when you think bird, we just got done learning some drawing basics inside, and now we're outdoors looking at some objects, sketching and writing. Through our programs, we really hope to help people create awareness, understanding, and conservation for open spaces, and really just to get out into our parks, explore, make some connections with the natural world, and hopefully create some lasting memories as well.
My name is Bob Zettler, and I like getting out in nature and just experiencing like right now, the warm sun and the breeze, and making a few notes about the things that I see. That, like right now, I'm kind of into these grasses and stuff like that, and I use these things sometimes in some of my drawings and finished pieces of artwork. Just it's information stuff.
My name is Elaine, and I came to the sketching in nature journal, and I haven't done that as such before, but I'm really enjoying it. It's a great thing for them to offer, and the instructor's been just great, very well organized, and knows what she's doing, but we're all working hard, thanks to her.
We offer a lot of free programs for the public, and to register for those, it's very simple. You just give us a call at the Nature Center and sign up, or you can register online.
I think the program is wonderful. I think it's really good for people to get out and see this.